Haruki Danira-chan. Genki desu ka? Anyways, first of all, you probably wonder what's with this title. Well, I want you to search that name on IG and tell me that I'm not the only one who thinks that this guy resembles one particular person that the both of us know. I just want to make sure that I'm not the only one. That's all. Secondly, here's Lulu and her cats against the world. Like, can you imagine? She told me to just go home and take care of the cats instead of her. She was like, the cats need you, feed them, blah blah blah. So I had no choice but to leave her because she ordered me to do so. So here I am now. I'm home. I'm at the edge of the bed recording this, to be specific. Don't worry, I will not fall. I will not fall from the bed on the floor. And it's peaceful here without Lulu. I gotta admit that. But I wish her fast recovery. She had her blood chem and urine test and some other tests. I don't know. My brother is taking care of her, so she will just be fine. By the way, she really didn't want to go to the hospital because she's afraid of injections. You know, needles. Acting tough but afraid of needles. Kawaii Lulu. What else? Oh, lastly, I know that you're trying so hard not to think about it, but I can feel that you're not okay, and I feel very sad too. I just hope and wish that you'll be back on track and that everything will be fine for you. My Daniro-chan, I know you can overcome this. I have faith in you, and I'm sending you my warmest hugs, at least online. Gambatte ne! Here's a lullaby for you. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the half the high, the blitz, and kleines Blumenlein on das heißt Erika. That's all. Oyasumi nasai. Kiwatsukete, June. I'll see you. I wanna see you. Bye.